Hi class! Since I couldn't record a video earlier in the week, I'm posting one now and hopefully we'll be able to get back on track with one at the beginning of the week for the next couple of weeks. Today you guys are adding your rough draft to peer review Essay 2, Discussion 7, and I'll look forward to responding to those over the weekend. If you didn't notice yet, I did grade Essay 1, and if you have any questions about your grade, you can first look at the document that I attached that has my comments in it, just a few, like maybe half a dozen comments per essay, and then the rubric, which has exactly where you earned points. If there's a minus in the far left column, that means you lost points there. And I divide the points evenly over the columns. Over the rows. So let me know if you have questions about that. I do believe that later in the semester there is a portfolio opportunity. So I think that there's a rewrite if you were dissatisfied with your grade. I just want to give a message to not give up. If things are getting hard, I understand that things are challenging. Just from my own experience this week, my husband suddenly had to go on a 2-week trip that we thought was canceled, and then at the last minute was back on, and then I could not do my my job, and then of course one of my children got sick, and the other one, their care provider had appointments, and it was just kind of a complicated week. So I understand having challenges. And I just want to encourage you to fight through them and let me know if you're, struggling to keep up with due dates because of just, temporary stuff that's going on in your life. I can always work with you on that. Just in case I don't get to it in the next couple of days for whatever reason, let's just review. On Monday, your replies to the peer review are due. You're also expected to read the overview for Module 8. Then you are coming up with ideas for Essay 3. All right, so it all happens really quick. And then your final of Essay 2 is due next Wednesday. So rough draft's due today, finals due next Wednesday. So these things kind of weirdly piggyback. And then as you're turning in Essay 2, yes, you are coming up with your ideas for Essay 3. Essay 3 is a longer project that has it's front-loaded with an annotated bibliography, which is like it's just specifically about your sources, finding your sources and writing about them, which is what Thursday, Valentine's Day, is going to be about. So you're going to read the Module 9 overview, look into and post about searching library databases. Friday you have a quiz, and it looks like responses to this. This is incorrect. This is not the correct date for your final portfolio. So I'm going to go change that right now. Anyway, that is my quick update, and expect this to be gone by the time this video is posted. I hope you're having a good week.